Hello friends, in this video, I will unbox and review the DIGITEK D416 Professional LED Video Light Combo. It comes with a 5200 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, and it is compatible with tripods, monopods, and cameras. I purchased it from Amazon for 2,699 rupees. It has both warm and cool LED lights, which helps to set white and orange lights independently, or we can mix lights too. Inside the box, we get a user manual, a hot shoe swivel mount that allows you to mount the LED light on the top of your camera, and a micro USB charging cable to charge the battery. The battery has a built-in charging adapter, so no extra adapter is needed to charge the battery. This made it easy to power the battery while using the power bank. Plus, it has a red charging indicator. This is our LED light. It is small in size and light in weight, so it would be easy to carry. The build quality is quite good, and it has a diffuser cover to get soft light. But to get better soft light, I would suggest adding a white cloth inside this diffuser. The best thing about this LED light is that it has dual knobs, which help you set the white and orange lights independently. You can mix light together too, if required. With uniform illumination brightness, it provides dual color temperature, 3200K and 5600K. In this photography and videography age, every creator is looking to produce professional-looking photos and videos, for which you need good lighting gear. Shooting indoors typically means there's less light than outdoors, but with this LED light, we can achieve proper lighting conditions. This LED light provides a wider lightening range and gives a brighter effect with lumens of 3800 lux and a power output of 37 watts. I am using this for my video shooting with my mobile phone. The battery lasts up to 1 hour at maximum brightness. So far, I am satisfied with the results. You can go for it. I will put the link in the description. Thanks for watching.